here at Golf Car UK, we get asked to do bespoke custom kits for customers. So the process is we get the kit in a box, and what I do is I sand the kit down, we mix the paint for the customer to whatever specification they want. So basically what I'll do is then colour cards, check the paint towards the customer, I'll speak to the customer, make sure they're happy with the colour of the kit on the golf cart. I'll come in the booth here, I'll sand down, put them on the stands, and basically we'll paint the bespoke colour that they want, and voila. We speak to the customer for the finish that they're going to require. Some customers might require a shiny finish. Some customers, believe it or not, have a satin or a matte finish. So what we do, we contact our paint supplier, get them to mix a specific paint how the customer likes. And then what we have to do is tweak it a little bit. Here in the mixing room, we have a few little tools and little colours that we mix, to tweak the colours a little bit. Sometimes when you paint a colour and you put lacquer on top of it, the customer might stand back and go, oh, actually I don't quite like that. Therefore we might have to go back in, give the colours a little bit, give them a little tweak, pigments a little tweak, and then we might have to change the style of lacquer we're using. Some lacquers might be too shiny, some might be too dull. There is an art to it, but it's just obviously speaking to the customer, and here obviously it's all about customer service. So what we do is we'll keep in contact with the customer constantly, get them to check, send them pictures, and if they're happy, get the job at the end of the day. So also here at Golf Car UK, we do offer a smart repair service on all the golf carts. So if the customer brings in the golf cart, wants some mechanical repairs, they do tend to damage them sometimes, trees, bushes on the golf carts. So I will actually smart repair the golf cart when it comes in. So we'll give it a nice new coat of paint. If it's got any cracks or tears in the bumpers, we'll repair them, we'll staple them, a bit of filler in there, and we'll give it a nice new shiny coat of paint. So we do offer that service as well.